Our kidneys play a crucial role in helping our bodies get rid of excess water and waste products from the blood, aid in hormone production, and help balance our electrolyte levels. In general, they don't require any special cleaning, as they are capable of detoxifying and cleaning blood on their own. But sometimes they may not be functioning optimally, due to which waste products may build up in your body and can lead to serious health issues. To prevent this from happening, your body may need something to help your kidneys do their thing, like a specific process or product that aims to support and enhance the natural detoxification functions of the kidneys. This can help prevent kidney stones that could develop from the buildup of calcium, uric acid, and oxalates in your urine, reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, and enhance overall kidney function. But how to detox or cleanse your kidneys? In this video, let's learn about 4 simple natural remedies that can help detox and cleanse your kidneys. So let's begin. Number 1. Dandelion. Dandelion's diuretic effects are well documented, offering potential benefits for kidney function. In fact, a 2020 study shows that dandelion leaf extract increased urine volume in participants by as much as 25% compared to a placebo, suggesting its ability to help flush out toxins and waste products. Other studies have suggested dandelion's potential to improve urinary flow and electrolyte balance, further supporting its potential role in kidney health. Besides its diuretic properties, dandelion is also rich in potassium, an essential mineral for healthy kidney function. A single cup of dandelion root tea offers a whopping 550 milligrams of potassium, fulfilling nearly 15% of your daily needs. This potassium content helps the kidneys filter toxins more effectively and promotes healthy blood flow, both of which contribute to optimal kidney function. In fact, a 2019 study showed that dandelion extracts can enhance sodium extraction by 22% and promote healthy blood flow, both of which contribute to optimal kidney function. Dandelion is also a rich source of many antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols. These antioxidants help protect your kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially improving overall kidney function and reducing the risk of chronic kidney disease. In fact, a 2019 study highlighted dandelion's ability to reduce oxidative stress by up to 50%. Now, if you want to incorporate dandelion into your daily diet, opt for organic dandelion root tea, which is readily available in health stores and supermarkets. For a personalized touch, consider using fresh dandelion roots, if readily available, to make your own tea. Consult your doctor before consuming dandelion, especially if you have existing kidney conditions or are taking medication. Number 2. Stinging nettle. Nettle's diuretic properties, confirmed by research, make it a natural detoxifier. In fact, a 2014 study shows that nettle leaf extract increased urine output by 24% in participants compared to a placebo, aiding in the flushing of toxins and waste products from the kidneys and urinary tract. Nettle's anti-inflammatory compounds, like caffeoyl malic acid and quercetin, offer potent protection for your kidneys. In fact, a 2019 study shows that stinging nettle has the potential to reduce inflammation markers in the kidneys by 38%, potentially preventing damage and promoting overall kidney health. Not just that, stinging nettle root has also shown promise in detoxifying the blood itself. A 2015 study suggests that nettle can lower creatinine levels by 21% and uric acid levels by 15%, both of which can build up in the blood and strain the kidneys. To incorporate stinging nettle into your kidney-friendly routine, you can opt for organic nettle leaf tea or stinging nettle root supplements. But consult your doctor before doing so, especially if you have existing kidney conditions, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or are taking medication. Number 3. Cranberry juice. Excess calcium oxalate in urine can contribute to kidney stone formation. Studies, like one published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2017, shows that cranberry juice can reduce urine calcium oxalate levels by up to 20%. This can further help prevent stones from forming, potentially protecting your kidneys. Another potential threat to kidneys is urinary tract infections, and luckily cranberries also offer protection against them. In fact, a 2016 review study shows that women consuming dried cranberries for 2 weeks experienced a 50% decrease in UTI recurrence compared to a placebo group. Moreover, cranberries also have diuretic properties, which help flush out toxins and waste products, including those that could burden the kidneys. A 2019 study shows that cranberry juice increased urine volume by 27%, potentially reducing the risk of kidney-related issues. On top of that, tannin, the active compound in cranberries, acts as a natural defense against UTIs. It prevents bacteria like E. coli from adhering to bladder and urethra walls. A 2020 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry demonstrated that tannin's antibacterial action reduced E. coli adhesion by up to 80%. This, in turn, can protect your kidneys from the potential complications of UTIs. To reap its potential kidney benefits, aim for 8 to 10 ounces or 240 to 300 milliliters of 100% natural cranberry juice daily. Choose organic varieties to avoid added sugars and preservatives that can negate the health benefits. Enjoy it straight, blend it, or dilute it with water if you prefer a milder taste. Consult your doctor before adding cranberry juice to your routine, especially if you have existing kidney conditions or are taking medications. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. ACV's main component, acetic acid, has been shown to help break down small kidney stones, making them easier to pass through urine. In fact, a 2018 study shows that ACV increased urine citrate levels by 16%, which might help prevent stone formation. Citric acid, another key component of ACV, binds with calcium in urine, potentially preventing the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, a major component of kidney stones. ACV's compounds, including acetic acid and malic acid, may hinder harmful bacteria like E. coli from adhering to bladder walls. This helps to create an environment less favorable for bacterial growth and can reduce the risk of UTIs. A 2017 lab study showed that ACV inhibited E. coli adhesion to bladder cells by up to 80%. However, further studies are needed to verify these lab results to actual clinical benefits. Besides that, ACV's ability to regulate the body's pH balance supports kidney function by maintaining an optimal environment for waste excretion. Consuming ACV before meals, particularly in the morning, can speed up metabolism and aid in digestion. This can indirectly support your body's natural detoxification processes by promoting efficient waste elimination. For potential kidney health benefits, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with 12 to 16 ounces of water and consume this mixture once or twice daily. You can drink this mixture before meals to facilitate efficient absorption. Drinking it on an empty stomach in the morning also offers digestive benefits. But remember that ACV is acidic and can damage teeth and irritate the esophagus, so diluting it and avoiding excessive consumption is crucial. Also, consult your doctor before incorporating ACV into your routine, especially if you have existing kidney conditions, are taking medication, or have concerns about its acidity. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.